Hello, and welcome to another update on Link. I'm here on the Chainlink chart. This is the weekly time frame for Chainlink, and you can see that the market is still pushing here against this yellow trend line. We still have not been able to break above this trend line. This would be next. Next objective for the bulls is basically to take out this yellow trend line, which is currently coming in around $28. We still obviously need to, hold support as well to maintain the bullish perspective. But honestly, at the moment, the pullback is not very deep anyway, and we have not even touched this support area. I mean, do we need to touch it? No. Can we break out directly to the upside? Yes. Bear in mind, tomorrow it's Fed interest rate decision, but this is the support zone that I'm watching on the weekly chart and on the daily chart because it gives us some clear parameters and it is a relevant support area. It might very well be that we don't touch it. The price dipped into this support area back in June, March, October last year, and so on. I mean, the price had enough dips, right, in this overall cycle here. So it's very much possible we break out directly, but this trend line is still quite meaningful. We have 3 touch points here at least, yeah. And once we break above it, it could really finally unlock prices in that region here around $47, $68, $85 even. That's the yellow scenario, which I view as a so-called B wave. That is what I'm tracking here primarily. Surely it could turn into something more bullish, but for now, the focus is on higher prices in both of these scenarios anyway. Now let us take a look at the short-term chart for Link. That's the smaller time frame. And here you can see that we are kind of ranging at the moment. Market hasn't really done much since August. That's what we see on many other crypto charts as well. It's just that Link performed quite well in August, actually. We've pushed higher. Obviously, then we had a correction, a rally into resistance, and another pullback. But we're now holding micro support, and the market is, as I said, ranging between support and resistance. The nearest support area I can offer here remains between $22.62 and $23.23. You know that one already from the last few days. The microstructures are difficult to interpret here. There are just, of course, we can recognize structure. It's just that there are many options here how we could frame this. What the most important thing is, we don't have a 5-wave move up from the September low. That is very, very important, which means I haven't got any, let's say, confirmed, no confirmed upside reversal from the September low. Just a temporary bounce that could develop into something more bullish. Yeah, I mean, the blue scenario allows here for the development of maybe another 5-wave move in a diagonal pattern, but to really consider that at least a local low has formed, I would need to break above this green line, which is at $24.44. Against that, the pressure appears downward, but we're at the same time in a support area. It's just that also the reaction to this micro support area hasn't really been confident at the moment, or let's say promising. Yeah. So I'm quite neutral between yellow and blue here. Again, the yellow count just leads to a larger correction. Hold on, why is it not moving? A larger correction in this wave 2 into this lower support region I showed you, whereas in the blue scenario, that wave 2 might have bottomed already. But I cannot strongly take that perspective because the move up was only a 3-wave move. So I remain open to both potentials here. This is a 1-2 setup. There is an invalidation point. It is at $21.88. It's just not a high probability one necessarily, because the move up was only a 3-wave move. But as I said, once we get a break above this green line, it's going to get interesting. That's the update on Link. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, make sure to join the membership. Also, check out our X channel for additional updates, news, and much more. The links can be found in the description and in the comment section. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.